Hey guys, today I'll be showing you on how to change a water temperature sensor on a Kia Picanto 2005 model. You need to remove this air filter box out of the way. There's just a few screws and bolts. It's easy to remove. Alright, the air filter is out of the way. This is the temperature sensor. So what we need to do first is drain the water so that we can remove these hoses out of the way. Alright, I have drained the water on the radiator through a hose because the plug that is on the radiator, it won't turn, and looks like the thread won't, it's like it's breaking into pieces. You can see it down here. This is the radiator plug. I tried to open it, it won't crack open, so instead I have just drained the water here through the hose. Much easier. Next is we're going to take these hoses out of the way so that we can replace the temperature sensor here. Alright, we're just gonna unplug this, pull this out. There it is. Next is there's like a clip here. You see this? You have to take that out in order to pull out the sensor. So you have to have something like this, like a hook, that you can hook this and remove it. I was able to create a gap from the pin here. All I have to do now is just pull it out. Alright, there you have it. There. This is the pin that is holding the sensor. Once you have removed the pin, all you have to do now is just pull this out. Just wiggle a little bit, and then there you go. So you can see it looks very bad. That's why my fan is not turning on, because of this. If you take a look at the new one and the old one, you can see that the old one is in a very bad shape. So I'm just gonna put this in and I'm gonna put it back. So I'm gonna put this back. Just simply insert. It should be really tight and snug. It shouldn't fall out. Next, we'll be putting back the pin. There you go. It should be all tight and snug with the clip on it. So with the clip on it, you can't remove it. Alright, I'm done putting in the sensor. All I have to do now is just put everything back to normal. Alright, I have put back all the hoses the way it is, back to normal. I just need to put some water, and right now I don't have coolant, so just in case you don't have right now, which I forgot, make sure put a distilled water. Distilled water is it has no minerals in it, so it uh, won't have any corrosion effect on your radiator and other metal parts as for now. So I need to put this one first, and once I'm able to put water, I'll go ahead, go to an auto supply and buy a coolant. Just gonna buy a concentrated one, so that I will just mix with it. Just before you put back the air filter, make sure there's no leak, and I can see there's no water leaking from the sensor. Alright, I put the water underneath the radiator, and let's just wait for the fan to turn on. Alright, the fan is on. Looks good to me. Alright, that's it. I hope you learned something. Bye.